this video, we'll take a detailed look at the material palette. The material palette provides a wide selection of materials. All materials include various modifiers that play a crucial role in creating a unique visual interaction with light. ZBrush saves all materials used in a document as an essential part of the overall entire project, regardless of whether any adjustments have been made. We are also able to adjust all the materials specified in the list here. For that, we go to the Materials palette, under the Modifications section. We have many options available to efficiently and easily transform our material. Here, we can adjust the intensity and the overall transparency of the material, and also several additional aspects that we may need. Once we have finished the modification procedure, we can securely save the content up here. And upon restarting the program, the data will also be loaded. Additionally, we have the option to apply two different materials to our object. Here's how it works. First, we activate the mRGB button up here, which then allows us to select and delicately paint the material onto our chosen surface area. In order to avoid any unnecessary distortion of the surface, we will simply turn off Z-Add button when we paint on the surface and then select a different material. We can clearly see that the previously selected material still remains visibly present on our object. To reverse the paint, we simply recover the area with white color to correct it. In the next video, we'll explore symmetry.